Mel B's former nanny finally sits down in tell-all deposition, weeks after she dodged the legal meeting in Spice Girls' divorce case citing food poisoning. The nanny at the center of the Mel B divorce case has finally given a tell-all deposition to the former Spice Girls lawyers, weeks after ducking out of the legal meeting citing illness. Daily Mail.com can exclusively reveal. Lorraine Gilles sat down for several hours at the offices of Mel's attorney Susan Wiesner in West Hollywood on Tuesday. Photos obtained by Daily Mail.com show the blonde leaving the building on the Sunset Strip during a lunch break. Wearing black skinny jeans and a white sleeveless blouse and flanked by two men, the German nanny returned to the legal offices an hour later around 1 p.m. The deposition, which is believed to have lasted several hours, comes more than 3 weeks after Gilles, 25, had missed a meeting scheduled for early August, claiming she was unwell due to food poisoning. Gilles' husband Michael Blow, 32, told Daily Mail.com at the time that her absence was down to sickness, likely brought on by a dodgy barbecue, and he denied she had trumped up being ill. In April, Mel was granted a restraining order against Gilles, who was ordered by a judge not to harass the singer and to stay 100 yards away from her. The same month, Gilles sued Mel for portraying her as a home wrecker and prostitute in a declaration in support of a request for a domestic violence restraining order against estranged husband Stephen Belafonte. The singer had alleged that Gilles carried on an affair with Belafonte, whom she also accused of physical and emotional abuse for much of their 10-year marriage, and claims the nanny fell pregnant to him and Belafonte convinced her to get an abortion. But Gilles said the entire story was a lie and sued Mel, also known as Melanie Brown, for defamation, invasion of privacy and intentional infliction of emotional distress, asking for unspecified damages. Gilles claimed that Mel, 42, and Belafonte, 42, targeted her when she first arrived in America from Germany aged 18, got her drunk and they had a threesome. She claims she never slept with Belafonte without Mel knowing or participating and maintains she has nothing to do with the couple's divorce. But in court papers filed in July, America's Got Talent judge Mel slammed Gilles' improper and unsupported damages claims, saying her declaration was absolutely privileged and the complaint should be dismissed under anti-slap rules. The singer adds that the only purpose of revealing the dirty laundry was to protect herself and the welfare of her young children. As part of the original court order against Gilles, in what's now become a bitter legal tussle, Mel was also granted access to a storage locker rented in Gilles' name. She claimed the locker contains alleged sex tapes and private photos Gilles and Belafonte could make public, as well as Spice Girls memorabilia and photos of her late father, who died in March. But in April, Mel was photographed trying to access a storage unit in Los Angeles and was turned away when she realized she didn't have the correct codes. Daily Mail.com later learned Gilles had not been cooperative. A source close to the case said, "Melanie's team will be pleased to have finally got the chance to question Lorraine and take her deposition, and no doubt the whereabouts of the memorabilia will have been a focus." She was grilled at Susan Wiesner's office in West Hollywood.